RKEDU app.
So let us start with the next part of social infrastructure, and that is hospitality. Now, hospitality is a broader industry than other industries because it includes a lot of sectors. Okay, a lot of areas. For example, if you talk about hotel industry, it is a part of hospitality services. And this area has grown manifold in Maharashtra due to flourishing tourism. I mean, look at the number of hotels that we have. Look at their infrastructure, look at their services, look at the number of branches, the employees they have. And it has been growing, progressing every year. And all this because of increasing tourism. Higher is the number of tourists visiting our state, the more is the requirement to serve them, and hence we increase our hospitality services, right? इसके लिए मैं कह रही थी कि टूरिज्म को डेवलप करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. It focuses on customers' satisfaction. Now, obviously, since it belongs to a service industry, here you do not have any goods to sell, right? आपके पास कोई चीज़ नहीं है जिसको आप डिस्प्ले कर सको जिससे लोग अट्रैक्ट हो सके. तो अगर आपको सर्विस इंडस्ट्री में मार्केट बनाए रखनी है, कंपटीशन को लड़ते रहना है, सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ है जिस पे आपको कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना है, एंड दैट इज हाईएस्ट सेटिस्फैक्शन लेवल अमॉन्ग योर कस्टमर्स. ओके. Hotel industry is one of the sectors of the hospitality industry. Like I already said. अब आपको ये images दिख रहे हैं? These are the level of hotels that we have in Maharashtra. The luxurious hotels with exceptional interiors, good chefs, good food, hygiene, and everything. Many forms of transportation that cater to the tourist are also a part of this business. Like we say, airlines, Mumbai Goa cruise ship, fancier trains like Deccan Odyssey, restaurants, general tourism, and event management. Now, when I'm talking about transportation, it is not those common transportation mediums like local trains or express trains that we see. We are talking about those transportation mediums or those places which attract even more tourists into your state. For example, let us take the Mumbai Goa cruise. Now, if we want to experience the inside of a luxurious cruise and the experience of traveling on a cruise, this is a very good option. एक तो आपकी जर्नी बहुत लंबी नहीं है, दूसरा यहाँ पे पहुँचना बहुत आसान है, थर्ड it is very good in terms of interiors and safety and food and everything. वहीं अगर मैं डेक्कन ओडिसी की बात करूँ, ये यहाँ पे जो इमेज आपको दिख रहा है जो एक रेस्टोरेंट के जैसे है, दैट इज द इंटीरियर ऑफ डेक्कन ओडिसी. डेक्कन ओडिसीज and such similar trains that we have, these trains are made to experience luxury while traveling. And this also attracts a lot of tourists because they are willing to experience such different things, right? There are a lot of events, lot of musical concerts, dance shows, and award ceremonies, award shows that have been happening in Maharashtra. Again, it has been attracting a lot of people from different states and countries. In short, we are trying to be developing every individual area that can attract more tourism, and in short, tourism will increase and also lead to an increase in the hospitality services, right? I hope you must have understood what exactly hospitality services cater to. Remember, they are actually meant or formed only to satisfy our tourists or their customers.